no lab or lab technician could describe. They didn't know what that critter was. She had her animals stuffed and mounted, and you're going to see it. Some call it a Texas blue dog. Some would call it a chupacabra. Either way, once you lay your eyes on it, you'll agree it's a big-ass, scary, blue-eyed dog with big fangs. And then in the middle, we have Chandra Vikrama Singer. He's a professor at Cardiff University in the UK. He's the coolest sounding job on earth. He's an astrobiologist. He studies the possibility of life in the universe. He's also the director of the Astrobiology Center at the University of Buckingham. He went to the country where he was born, Sri Lanka, to study a phenomenon known as red rain. It's also known as blood rain. When you see it come down from the sky, it looks like the sky is flying blood. At first, it was thought to be dust particles, then pollution, then acidity in the air. But what scientists found were very strange cells, living cells that had no DNA. And then you have to ask yourself, how can they replicate? What we know of living cells on Earth is all living cells have DNA. These did not. This professor believes these cells are extraterrestrial in nature. And he brought some with him. You're going to be able to go up at the end and see the red rain. And before we get to our first clip, I want to say to the panelists, I admire you all because people who explore this topic and have been vocal about it have sometimes been subject to extraordinary ridicule. You know, even though presidents and newsmakers have said they've seen UFOs, they get a pass because they're famous. But if you're not famous and you take a position like that, you're the target of abuse.